Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sportage rear wiper. First, make sure you have the correct replacement wiper blade for your specific model. It's important to get the right size and attachment style for a secure fit. Having a clean cloth nearby is also a good idea to clean any debris. This simple task can be done quickly, ensuring clear visibility for safe driving. Let's get started with preparing your vehicle. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Next, you'll need to rotate the wiper blade itself so it's at a 90-degree angle to the arm. With the blade in this position, gently pull it outward. Many Kia Sportage models do not have locking clips, so it should slide right off with a firm but gentle pull. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the attachment point on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade into place. You should hear or feel a distinct click when it's securely locked onto the arm. Give it a light tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This ensures proper function and safety. Once the new blade is installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. It's crucial to do this gently to avoid any damage. Now, turn on your vehicle and test the rear wiper to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively. Check for any streaks or missed spots. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Regular maintenance keeps your Sportage ready for any weather.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.